Welcome back. So the products we're looking at today is a conversion for the Mark 6s and the early R-types on the pinion flange for the differential. So originally they had 3 ball race bearings. That meant that they're a weaker bearing than what we convert them to, and it's more likely to cause noise, and early failure can cause damage to the crown wheel and pinion eventually. And yeah, they modified them at B20 SR chassis range or B2 SR chassis range. So shortly after the R-Type was introduced. So all Mark 6s have got the triple bearing setup, which is not as good. This flange is a modified flange for the front of the diff. It allows you to fit 2 Timken taper bearings, race and roller either end. It's a much stronger setup, and obviously Bentley did it themselves. So this is a modification that you want to put on any rear axle if you're rebuilding it. Part number is RG3508 kit. That's for the new flange and the 2 taper bearings and the washer. We do sell the flange separately, we sell the bearing separately, so if you've already got the modification one, then everything's available already. Thanks.